How to translate a story on Wattpad. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can translate a story on Wattpad. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, go to the Play Store or App Store and search for Translate Text on screen. If you are on Android, download this app. If you are on iPhone or iPad, then download a similar app. Once you have downloaded the app, open it, turn it on and give it the necessary permission. Then open the Wattpad app and also open the book you want to translate. To translate the text, move this from where you want to start translating and tap on it. Then press it and drag it to make a box around the text you want to translate. Then tap here and choose which language you want to translate. I'm translating from Spanish, so I will select Spanish. After selecting, tap on Close. If it doesn't translate, tap on Refresh and the text will be translated. After you have done translating, you can go to the Translator app and turn it off. So this is how you can translate a story on Wattpad.